So why is crypto crashing? First of all, if we are looking at the historic charts, you will understand that Bitcoin usually gets a correction in January to late January. So I think this is correlated to the fact that new president, new administration is taking over. That's why people are taking a pause to see what will happen, if they should invest, and they are basically being cautious because you don't understand, you don't know what the new president, new administration will do with crypto or with everything in economy. That's why this little Bitcoin dip really doesn't faze me. I understand that you have to look at historic charts, and you can see in 2021 January, the Bitcoin basically did this little correction as well, basically kind of huge correction. But as we all know, the new president, Donald Trump, is quite bullish on crypto. That's why I think these fears will be basically squashed. Everyone will forget about this correction, this dip, few weeks later, because in basically 14 days or less than that, the new administration is here. But there are still many opportunities. Another bearish fact is that the DOJ, the Department of Justice, has the approval to sell around $6 billion in Bitcoin. They have been approved. So this means another bearish news. That's why, again, I'm not surprised that we are dipping quite low. But there are still many opportunities in this market. If you are, for example, following CZ, the Binance CEO, he's talking about researching the basically science in crypto, and that makes me bullish, really bullish on this side, decentralized science projects in crypto. The previous video I made was about this topic because there are many huge basically projects, and despite AI being the biggest narrative right now, the decentralized science growth was the biggest in 2024, I think by 26x, like 26,000%. This narrative grew so fast. That's why I think this will be one of the biggest narratives in 2025, because Coinbase and Binance are themselves investing. The Brian Armstrong has been talking about research, decentralized science, and he has been investing in multiple projects. That's why don't fade decentralized science. I know the AI is quite interesting and engaging, but I think the real utility will be in decentralized science. NFTs will come back. There is so much happening behind the scenes. I am also in many alpha groups like Admit One, Hunter Aurel, and if you have watched my previous videos, the price was like 10 times or 5 times lower. So if you want to get some alpha, some early alpha for NFTs, airdrops, and crypto, you can follow my Patreon. That's where I post basically the stuff first. After that, I will post on YouTube. But if you have joined my Patreon, you will get the alpha first. And as I'm basically searching on Twitter, scrolling on this different Discord groups, I am finding alpha every day. That's why if you don't want to miss out, join my Patreon. All the links are in the description. And if you are looking at global liquidity, I don't think it is growing fast right now. That's why I think another reason why the crypto is not going up. The Bitcoin is staying quite stagnant. But if you are watching and reading news, I think the Trump is really bullish and he wants the rates to go lower. He says the rates are too high, which means that if the rates are going lower, that means that investments will flourish, Bitcoin will grow, and he definitely wants the economy to grow. And I think this will be a major catalyst for Bitcoin to go up, for crypto basically to pump. And I think this could be the biggest and the longest crypto bull run. The bull run will continue until 2026 summer at least, because I think Trump will be 4 years in the office and really, really bullish for crypto. And again, if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT, airdrop, alpha, follow my Patreon, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.